From the ominous discovery of betrayal to confessions that rock Sobat's Kloof to its core, every episode drips with tension. As relationships fracture, revenge simmers, and the shadow of justice looms, the Murray family faces relentless blows, and CJ's choices lead him down a path of no return. Will love endure amidst chaos, or will vengeance and lies tear everyone apart? Buckle up for a month of drama, heartbreak, and shocking twists that will leave you craving more. On Monday, 3rd February, episode of Kelders van Geheime delivers high stakes as Marco pleads desperately with Grace to delete the confession video, knowing its potential to ruin lives. Veronique, burdened with growing concerns, suspects that Annette might be contemplating a shared custody arrangement for Charlie, leaving viewers to wonder what lengths she'll go to protect her interests. Meanwhile, Sandy is left reeling when she uncovers that Dewald may not have been entirely truthful with her, shaking the foundation of their relationship. As secrets unravel and alliances shift, drop your thoughts in the comments. What would you do if you were in Marco's shoes? And don't forget to hit the like button to support this gripping storyline. Tuesday, 4th February 2025 brings an emotionally charged episode 197, where CJ's life spirals further out of control. With each passing moment, his problems seem to multiply, leaving viewers on the edge of their seats. Meanwhile, Junior fiercely resists Veronique's increasing sway over Annette, making it clear he'll stop at nothing to protect his family's legacy. A shattered Shireen, heartbroken and enraged, begins to plot her comeback, setting the stage for a battle of wits and wills. What do you think will be Shireen's next move? Share your predictions below, and remember to like this post to ensure you don't miss any twists. On Wednesday, 5th February 2025, episode 198 plunges into chaos as Charlie's baptism, meant to be a joyous occasion, takes a dramatic turn. Edmund faces a shocking blow that threatens to upend his world, while Allison's world crumbles when Junior's closely guarded secret comes to light. As the sister women hold their own symbolic baptism, viewers are left questioning whether these events are a coincidence or part of a larger scheme. Don't forget to comment your theories and show your love for Kelders van Geheime by liking this post. Thursday, 6th February 2025 heralds episode 199, where scandal takes center stage. A certain affair becomes the talk of the nation after it is leaked on live television, sending shockwaves through the Murray family. Betrayal looms as the family struggles to identify the traitor among them, and Dutoit is left grappling with the repercussions of a tarnished reputation. As tempers flare and secrets bubble to the surface, whose side are you on? Let us know in the comments below, and click that like button to support this rollercoaster of drama. Friday, 7th February 2025 marks the milestone episode 200, and Sobat's Kloof is shaken to its core by the latest scandal. The four implicated individuals find themselves struggling under the weight of public scrutiny, while Junior desperately pleads with Allison to keep his secret. With suspicions running high, Junior is convinced Veronique is the one who leaked the scandalous details to the media. Could he be right, or is he just grasping at straws? Join the debate in the comments and show your support by liking this post before you forget. On Monday, 10th February 2025, episode 201 intensifies the drama as Edmund and Annette's troubles deepen when the media drags Charlie into the unfolding scandal. Dutoit and Shireen are caught in the crossfire, while CJ contemplates a life-altering decision after Joey confronts him about his guilt. The stakes couldn't be higher. What would you do if you were in CJ's place? Drop your thoughts below and tap the like button to ensure you're ready for the next twist. Tuesday, 11th February 2025 unleashes the heartbreak of episode 202 as Debbie Lee defies repeated warnings to follow her heart. Annette is crushed by the public's relentless judgment, but Lin steps in to defend her son with fierce determination. Will Lin's intervention be enough to protect her family? Let us know your thoughts, and don't forget to like this post if you're hooked on the unfolding drama. Wednesday, 12th February 2025 brings the celebration of CJ's 18th birthday in episode 203, but guilt overshadows the festivities. As CJ wrestles with his conscience, Sandy and Debbie Lee clash over Elroy's sudden reappearance. With emotions running high, who will emerge unscathed from this family turmoil? Share your take in the comments and smash that like button to support this intense episode. Thursday, 13th February 2025 delivers episode 204, where chaos engulfs Sabatskloof following CJ's shocking confession about Mercy's death. Marco's web of lies begins to unravel, leaving his friends stunned by his betrayal. As CJ faces interrogation, the truth threatens to shatter Liv's forever. Do you think CJ made the right decision to confess? Let us know in the comments, and hit the like button if you can't wait to see what happens next. Friday, 14th February 2025 offers a Valentine's Day episode unlike any other, in episode 205, where love takes a back seat to betrayal and heartbreak. Veronique is devastated as CJ insists on taking sole responsibility for his actions, leaving everyone questioning his motives. Could there be more to CJ's confession than meets the eye? Share your theories, and make sure to like this post to show your love for Keldas van Geheime. On Monday, 17th February 2025, episode 206 reveals a brewing storm in Sabatskloof. Lin, along with the workers, launches a full-scale war against the Murray family, leaving no room for reconciliation. Grace, grappling with heavy emotions, decides it's time to bid farewell to Sabatskloof. Meanwhile, CJ finds solace in the unwavering support of Junior, even as the world around him crumbles. What do you think Grace's departure means for Sabatskloof? Don't leave without dropping your thoughts in the comments, and make sure to like this post before the drama sweeps you away. Tuesday, 18th February 2025 brings the gripping twists of episode 207, where CJ is blindsided by a violent attack from a stranger. As fear takes hold, Junior makes a heartfelt attempt to help his son, but his intentions are tested when Lin's relentless pursuit to expose Dutort's betrayer leads to shocking revelations. Will Lin's quest for truth cause more harm than good? Let us know your thoughts and hit the like button to stay updated on the fallout. On Wednesday, 19th February 2025, episode 208 pulls no punches as Elroy's delusional antics reach new heights. He attempts to play house with Debbie Lee, forcing her into a corner where her survival instincts kick in. Meanwhile, CJ struggles to accept his grim reality and makes a decision that threatens to send his entire family into a tailspin of despair. Could this be the moment that changes everything? Share your guesses and like this post if you're as gripped by the tension as we are. Thursday, 20th February 2025 delivers episode 209, where Veronique's manipulative schemes falter, leaving her unable to shield CJ from the consequences of his actions. As tensions reach their boiling point, CJ finally faces the full weight of the fallout, forcing everyone to confront the painful reality of their choices. How do you feel about Veronique's role in CJ's predicament? Share your perspective in the comments, and don't forget to hit the like button to show your support for this riveting storyline. On Friday, 21st February 2025, episode 210 sees Grace finally claiming her long-awaited revenge as the judge delivers CJ's sentence. The verdict leaves Veronique, Choppy, and Marco devastated, while Hermione takes on the impossible task of keeping the family together. Do you think justice was truly served? Let us know in the comments and like this post if you're eager to see how the Murray family copes with this turning point. Monday, 24th February 2025 ushers in episode 211, where Elroy tightens his grip over Debbie Lee, leaving her with no choice but to comply with his demands. Relief washes over the sisters as they reunite with Debbie Lee, but Lynn's simmering anger toward Annette sparks a vow for retribution. What do you think Lynn has up her sleeve? Share your theories and tap that like button to ensure you don't miss the next explosive moment. Tuesday, 25th February 2025 brings episode 212, with CJ and his family struggling to adapt to life following his incarceration. While Lynn sets a cunning plan in motion, Elroy demonstrates his ruthless control as Sandy and Shireen's visit to Debbie Lee takes an ominous turn. What would you do in Debbie Lee's shoes? Let us know in the comments and show your love for Keldas Van Gehamy by liking this post. On Wednesday, 26 February, episode ramps up the tension as Elroy delivers a chilling warning to Debbie Lee, threatening dire consequences if she fails to renounce her family. Meanwhile, Grace visits CJ in prison, bringing a mix of hope and heartbreak, and Lynn crafts a clever scheme to help Shireen clear her name. Can Debbie Lee outsmart Elroy's grip, or will she succumb to his threats? Drop your take in the comments, and don't leave without liking this post. Thursday, 27th February 2025 offers episode 214, where CO parenting seems like smooth sailing for Annette and Edmund. However, Shireen feels the sting of seeing photos of Edmund, Annette, and Charlie looking like a happy family. Meanwhile, Athandwa and Marco's introduction takes a rocky start, leaving viewers wondering how their dynamic will unfold. What are your predictions for Athandwa and Marco's future? Share your thoughts below, and give this post a thumbs up if you're excited to see what happens next. Finally, on Friday, 28th February 2025, episode 215 ends the month with fireworks as Shireen delivers a fiery rejection of Edmund's divorce offer, leaving no room for compromise. Annette, however, wrestles with mixed emotions after officially signing her own divorce papers. With emotions running high and relationships teetering on the brink, what does the future hold for these characters? Don't miss the chance to weigh in, comment below, and smash the like button to keep this conversation alive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video coming up now.